Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very important for all the expats living in Saudi Arabia or planning to move soon. Saudi Arabia has officially announced a big update. Citizens from 48 countries can now directly convert their foreign driving license into Saudi driving license with no driving test required. Yes, no driving school, no theory test, and no practical test required. In this video, I'll explain who is eligible for this, the 5-step conversion process, and what to do if your country is not on the list, and some important tips before applying. So let's begin. What's the new rule? Saudi Arabia's traffic department, Muroor, has officially approved direct license conversion for 48 countries. If you hold a valid driving license from any of these countries, you can directly convert it into Saudi driving license without any driving test. This includes USA, UK, Canada, Australia, many European nations, South Korea, Japan, GCC countries, and many more. This is a huge relief for expats because it saves time, money, and months of waiting at driving schools. So now what does this mean for you? If you are from one of these approved countries, you don't need to enroll in any driving school, you don't need theory or practical test, you simply convert your license through a straightforward process. It's the easiest and fastest way to get your Saudi driving license. Now let's talk about the 5-step conversion process. If you are eligible, here's the exact process. Step number 1 is get your license translated into Arabic. Visit any authorized translation office or an online service. Your foreign license must be officially translated. Step 2 is book an appointment on Absher. Log into your Absher account. Go to the appointments, select traffic. Choose replace driving license and step number 3, pay the required fee via Sadat. You can pay through bank app, ATM, online banking. Search under traffic driving license fees. Step number 4 is get a medical checkup. Visit any approved medical center. They check your eyesight, blood pressure, and general health only. They will directly upload results to the Muroor system. Step number 5 is visit the Muroor office. Go on your appointment date with original driving license, Arabic translation, Iqama, passport copy, fee receipt, medical report, and submit all the documents, and you will receive your Saudi driving license the same day. Section 4. If your country is not on the list, if your nationality is not included in the 48 approved countries, and these includes all Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and some more countries, you must follow normal process. Register in a Saudi driving school, attend theoretical classes, pass the computer test, attend practical training, pass the final driving test. Then you will receive your Saudi license. So the first step is to get registered with Saudi driving school. Then you have to attend theoretical classes, pass the computer test, attend practical training, and the final is pass the final driving test. Final advice I would like to share is always check the updated list on the official Muroor website or Absher. Make sure your foreign license is valid. Expired licenses are not accepted. Keep both the original and translated copies with you when applying. This new rule is big win for thousands of expats. So if you are from one of the eligible countries, this is the best time to convert your license easily and quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more helpful updates from Saudi Arabia, licensing procedures, and expat guidance. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.